YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got the truck. Look at this beautiful build. We're getting kicked out of we gotta get going at the airport. Thank you. What do you think of your new rip? Yeah, you like it?
Oh yeah.
Alright, love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
Look at that build. Oh yeah. Alright fam, so Seattle, LAX to PRC. What's up? Prescott, Arizona. What do you guys think's there? What kind of car? Comment down below what kind of car. We're doing a 2,300 mile road trip. Alright, here we go. Boarding the airplane. Let's get it. Let's go. LA, baby. Alright, just landed LAX. Got 1 hour layover. So we flew from Seattle to LAX, got a 1 hour layover. It's late, it's already, look, it's already dark outside. We're picking this car up at 9:30 at night. Kind of a weird time. I'm gonna make sure that we go through it. I'm gonna put you guys on camera and you're gonna see the car. I'm gonna make sure that we go over the whole car. So I already know it's not in the best condition, but it is a rare car and it has the specs that I want. It's gonna be a fixer-upper. I can't wait. We're gonna be driving this thing, is it 21 hours, 1,300 miles back to Washington. I'm really excited. So yeah, we're gonna be leaving LAX here. Quick second, get on this plane, land in Prescott, Arizona, meet the guy at the airport, get the car.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are number 1 for departure. Please credit cabin for departure.
We just landed. We're in Prescott, Arizona. Here we go. The car's outside. Alright guys, we just made it here. Here it is. I don't know if you guys expected this is what I was gonna get. It's a 2006 EVO 9 MR, clean title. I think it has like 90,000 miles on it. Really excited. Of course, it's in Rally Red. Crazy. It is freezing here. It's like 16 degrees. It feels like so cold. Look at this. So amazing. I'm so excited. Oh, that is awesome. Yeah, clean title. Nice. Of course, it's going to be red and black like all my cars. Oh, I'm so excited. So I want to go ahead and get in it, fire it up, go for a drive. And yeah, we're going to clean this whole thing up. We're going to drive this all the way back. All the way back to Washington. Long drive. It should be fun though. So I'm going to talk to the seller right here, and then we'll come right back as we're driving it. Oh my gosh, the whole thing is stock. This is amazing. What? The guy goes, I think you just bought the cheapest EVO in the country. I said for an MR I did. This is a 2006 MR with 93,000 miles on it. Oh my gosh. Service engine, anti-lock brakes, has all the bells, has all the all the service lights going on. But I think I just got the cheapest EVO. It's red, has horrific paint on it, needs probably new steering wheel, needs so much work done to it, and I'm so excited. This is such an awesome car. I got a pretty good deal on it. It was over 20,000, which is a lot of money for a car like this in this condition. It needs a new clutch drives, but the clutch is really right at the last, like the engagement. It's pretty quick, it's pretty fun. My EVO 10 actually seems faster, which I remember when I was a kid, I had some fun with an EVO 9MR when I was younger, and it was so fast. It must have been heavily modified because this one feels pretty slow. But we need to go get gas. There's zero gas. So first thing we're gonna do is get some gas, and then we're gonna head to Vegas. So we're gonna drive to Vegas tonight. You guys are gonna stay with me as we drive to Vegas. We'll do an overview. I'm trying to get to somewhere warmer. It's like 16 degrees outside. I'm shivering. I have like 2 jackets on. It's just really cold. But hey, we got a Mitsubishi Evolution EVO 9 MR, an MR 6-speed. I wanted the 6-speed. Hold on. I am not getting rid of the 6-speed. The transmission, the 5th gear kind of kicks out of it on this one. I'm going to rebuild this transmission. I am not getting rid of the 6-speed. Everyone says go 5. I'm not. This is going to be like the mintest EVO 9 ever. I'm so excited. Needs a lot of love. It's going to be amazing. Okay. So we just parked at the gas station for the first time. Ooh, I got the leather seats. They're Recaros, or Ricardos. Recaros. I have no gas, so we're gonna pull the gas lever right here. Pull that open. And then I'll make sure this thing pops open. I might have to I might have to key card it. Let me go get it's gonna have to be, I don't have to pop it out. That's not good. I don't know if you guys know what key carding is. So it didn't want to pop open. It's obviously very dusty and dry. The lever opens, I can hear it, and it just needs a push out. So if you put like a credit card here, a key card, some kind of card right here, a plastic card, it'll pop itself open. Premium fuel only, of course. This is the first fill up, and my 100% stock. This is insane. I have a stock EVO 9. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Let's fill this whole thing up with brand new gas from Circle K. I wanted Chevron, but there's no Chevron with anywhere near. This is one of my favorites. This 91 is not my favorite. I want 92 or 93 or 94, but 91. Let's go ahead and fill this up. I'm so excited. All right, let's begin some fueling. Amazing. Okay. So let's make sure the car is unlocked. Let's make sure I got the car key. It has an old car key right here. Only one of them. Only one car key, which is unfortunate. So it is 100% stock. Definitely needs clean. I cannot leave 100% stock. EVO 9 MR. Now, the exterior is in crap condition. It obviously needs some love with the transmission and the clutch, and then a new paint, new window, just a lot of new stuff, which I'm excited. I wanted a project car. I got the ultimate project car. Besides, if I sink a bunch of money into this thing, I think at the end of the day it'll be worth a fortune. 90,000 miles on a OEM 100% stock EVO 9. Amazing. Look at that thing. That is so me. Oh my gosh, I've never seen an 8 or 9 ride so high in my life. I'm shaking. Sorry for that. I'm shaking, guys. It is so cold. Oh my gosh. So there's a ding there. That's all right. I'll get a new fender. What else? Maybe a little bit of door paneling. Needs some love. The car's gonna get painted. Which when I get it painted, it'll look brand new. Wow, that filled up quick. $48 for 11 gallons. Original wheels. The wheels need to be painted black. BBS's. It needs new brakes. The calipers need powder coated. This is just a perfect car. It's gonna be so good. I love that it came with Recaros. It's so perfect. I love the MR badge. It's still there. It's so good. Original radio, and it works. No floor mats. What the heck? It is awesome. Car has definitely. So it was sold to California, and then spent, I think, from like 2006 to 2010, or no, 2006 to 2000. Yeah, 2006 to 2020 in California, and then he bought it 2 years ago in 2019 or 2020, and it's been in Arizona since then. So it's never left the South. There is zero rust, which is amazing. I'm trying to find that on an EVO. Zero rust, really good. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. So what we're gonna do, we got full gas. I'm gonna do a little bit of edit for you guys. Then we're gonna get the car, and we're gonna drive to Vegas. And it's gonna be 3 in the morning when I get to Vegas. We'll wake up in the morning next day. We're gonna wash the car in Vegas. I'm gonna put WD-40 on a lot of stuff. I might get a new windshield in Vegas if I can find one, because this one has cracks. And yeah, I'm just gonna detail it why we're in Vegas, so that it comes out a little bit nicer for the remainder drive of the way home. Cannot feel my fingers. Let's get out of here, dude. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. So we have a lot of check engine lights. Let's look here. Let's see here. I like that the heater works. Service engine soon. Don't know. I don't know what that is. Check engine light. Brake. E-brake is on, obviously. SRS. And then anti-lock, so that's fine. I'm okay with all that. These are amazing. That is so cool. There's a built-in boost gauge. That is insane. I did not know that was there. That I did not know that was one of them. Volts, very normal, and then temp, amazing. All in Celsius, really cool. OEM radio. This is the one thing that's most important right here. This is super, super important to make sure that my battery works to charge my phone. When I bought my CELICA, like 3 CELICAs ago in California, that didn't work, and I had to charge, like, replace the thing. Yeah, EVO, I love you, EVO. That is the biggest win of the whole trip right there. That is so good. I needed that. Imagine driving all these miles. Now, that's one hard thing. I have to drive this entire trip out with no cruise control, my lord. So last time I did this was with my MR2. Oh my gosh, and it was a trip. Gas gauge works, full tank of gas, baby. That looks good, I'm excited. Okay. This cycles through, but when you're driving, obviously it needs to change a lot of stuff. It needs a lot of work, but hey, it has great bones, as the guy said. It's just gonna be a great car. I love the Recaros. I love them, I love them, I love them. Yeah, I'm excited. So, let's get on the road. I'll do a poll for you guys, of course, so you guys can see it. But let's get on the road. We're gonna put 1,000 and something miles on it. 1,300 miles on it. So it should finish the trip like at 94,500 or something like that. 94,500. But oh man, what a cool car! I'm excited for this thing. I love it. I'm happy. This is one of my dream cars. Needs lots of work. This is a project car. It's not beautiful at all. Like right now, it's not beautiful. It will be probably the most beautiful car I own, and I'm very excited for it. So let's hit the road. Okay, so this is where we are. 3 hours and 52 minutes, 247 miles. Let's see if this thing will do it. All right, here we go. Let's navigate, baby. All right, this is it. We're off. All right, guys, we are in the middle of nowhere. There's no cars on my side at all. I haven't seen. There's cars coming. There's semi trucks on the other side, but no cars. So we got 195 miles to get to Vegas. I really want to wake up in Vegas. That's my big thing. I want to wake up in Vegas. So I'm gonna push to get to Vegas. It should be about like 1:35 in the morning or 2 in the morning, and then I'll sleep there, wake up, wash the car, and do all that. So cool thing, the boost gauge actually works on this, which I didn't know. But look at this. Isn't that awesome? That's so cool. Now the little light's out of it, but that's a lot of boost. That's awesome. I'm loving it. It's pretty cool. The car's quick, not fast. I thought it would be faster. It's not that fast. My EVO 10, I got it dynoed a while ago when I first got it, before I did any really mods to it. It did 300 pounds of torque and like 290 pounds or 200 horsepower, 290 horsepower, which to the wheels is like 330 or 340 to the wheels. This thing I think is to the wheel or to the crank is like 280 or something. So to the wheels like probably 250 or 260 or something like that, and it feels kind of slow. So I can see why people just jack these up to 400 right away. I'm not gonna do that for a while. I want to do a built transmission. I want to do a new clutch. I want to paint the whole thing. So I got all the things I want to do to it, but hey, it works. And it's quick, right? I mean, it's quick. Let's go, we'll go 100 real quick. I mean, 55 miles an hour. So there's 100. I should have listened. The 5th gear was popping out, and now it won't go into 6th gear. So I'm in 4th gear, been in 4th gear for about 100 miles now. I'm gonna stay in a city called Kingston. So first video, and the EVO already broke down. It's really jerky. I don't know. I'm gonna try to drive it. I might end up bringing it to Vegas and having someone work on it. Or I might bring it to Vegas and then have it shipped to English. Or I might just try to power through. We'll see what's gonna happen. I'm just trying to get to a safe place tonight. Crazy, but it'll be worth it when it's all done. You know, all things in life are worth it when you struggle. So if there's hard struggles in it, it means it's worth something. Listen to that transfer case. It is so loud. Oh my gosh. So fingers crossed. I got 29 more miles. Hopefully I can make it to Kingston, and then maybe I'll hunk it over to Vegas. See if I can have someone in Vegas fix it. I think it needs a new transmission or a transmission rebuild, and then a which I want to do one from Shep, and it needs a new clutch. We'll go from there, but man, this sucks. I'm stuck out here. I'm not stuck out here, not yet. I don't want to be stuck out here. Oh gosh, here it comes. So here's the sign for us, guys. Kingman, 28 miles, Angeles, 345. So we might have to leave this car down here and then fly down again. So I hope not, but it is what it is. Okay, good news is we made it to the hotel. That's good news. Bad news, it really doesn't want to go into any gear. So maybe the clutch just went out, but I think 6th gear and 5th gear gave out. It won't go into reverse anymore. It will go into reverse if I pump the clutch like 4 or 5 times. So I think it's just the clutch is dead, and then the transmission needs a rebuild. The buyer's not been very nice or helpful. I'm not gonna say horrible things, but I kind of feel like I got a little bit gypped on this one. I paid too much for something that doesn't drive. But I mean, it is so hard to go into any of the gears. That sucks. Let's see if it'll even go. Yeah, see, it goes into them. It won't go in reverse. Oh, it was 6. So let's pump the clutch. Nope. So now we're gonna have to roll the car backwards. Okay. I'm exhausted. This was a hard day. I don't know how many miles, like 250 miles down. Literally just kicked itself out of 6th gear. I knew it would pop out of 5th. When I bought it, he said that it'd pop out of 5th. He didn't say that the 6th gear didn't work. Now the transmission, or not transmission, but the clutch is given. I'm tempted to ship the car back. I own the car. He's not gonna give me any money back. He's not a very good buyer. He's probably blocked me. Yikes. Don't let this car purchasing, make you hate old cars. This is what you expect. You got to pay a lot for old things. You got to pay to play. And remembering this video here is going to be amazing, because we're going to look at this video in like 2 or 3 years and be like, wow, aren't you so fortunate and blessed that you're able to buy a rare car like this and then invest the money to make it perfect again, and how crappy it was to how far it's come. Because currently it sucks. That's okay. I'm very happy, very pleased. I'm a very thankful person, and it'll be an amazing car when it's done. Right now it's a turd and it sucks, but that's okay. Make sure to like, subscribe, find out what we're gonna do next. Stay tuned. Let's find out. We'll find out what we're gonna do next. I love you guys. Swing by MitchUbishi.com. I've always appreciated all your support. We're gonna put this thing away and start working on the CELICA as soon as we get back. I really appreciate you guys' support. Hang in there. I'll see you guys in the next video.